Hey, YouTube! What up? Well, I was fooling around and I was watching Tactical X-Ray. I think it was Tactical X-Ray this morning. And I think he had a Zippo collection. But I got a few other followers that don't smoke pipes. GT Knives, I believe, and Superfly Fat Guy 859. A long time ago, they asked me, because I had mentioned I collect Zippos, and I've mentioned a few times before too. And if you follow my videos, early on when I first went to my tobacconist shop, it was the first time I've been to a shop, and he gave me a lighter, a Zippo lighter, never been used, and if you follow my videos you would have seen it. It's the 75th anniversary of something Tobacco Dealers Association. Being that he's a tobacconist and owns a shop, they gave him this lighter. And some of you that are new to my channel probably haven't seen it. And on there, basically it has RTDA. I forget what R's for, but it's Tobacco Dealer Association, 1933 to 2007. This lighter is letter D06, so that would be April of 2006. And of course, it's a Zippo, and it's never been lit. Anyway, and then of course I got the butane pipe lighter that I was gifted from Smoke and Briar, and this one, it's a butane insert. It's the pipe insert, which I didn't have one, and I didn't even know they had them. And of course, brand new in the box. This is a old one that I used to carry day in, day out. They used to do them in Roman numerals before they started with I believe they always did the letters, but they didn't do Roman numerals. Anyway, this is an old one that's got Roman numerals. I got a few of them that are Roman numerals, and this is one of the small little ones. I got a couple that aren't Zippos. Some of you may remember these. Brand new. Winlight, Ronson, in the package. Brand new. I believe this from the 60s. It comes with paperwork and all that stuff in the box. Another Ronson. I don't know where I got these from. Probably a flea market somewhere. And then one of the classy table lighters from back in the day. Ronson. Okay. And then my lighter collection, the Zippo lighter collection. I have this one. It says, "It's my life, it's my right, I want to smoke." Okay. Actually, I'll just show them to you. Some of them, a lot of these, you know, they're kind of special ones. You know, this one got the plate on the front. Real heavy. 2011. Twin Towers. This one's real heavy also. Armor case on it. This has the, well, they call it the armor case, and those that you collect them know what those are. Solid brass one, and it says solid brass on it. It's, I guess you might be able to see it. Couple bullet ones. This one. There's another one of the more expensive ones. Here's one of these. I'm going to show the camera. I'm going to run the camera by them all real slow so you can kind of peek at them. But this one, some of you know when they used to come out with the lighters, they had the plastic hard case. This one's actually 2002 Taurus, of course. And a few other ones. I do have my brothers. My brother, he is dead now. My younger brother. Oh, and I got this one. This one comes like on a lanyard. It's like a hinge on there. I guess you put it on your belt or something, but it's on a lanyard like. This was my brother's. He was a Raider fan. Came in one of these little cases. Zippo. He has his name engraved in the bottom right here. It was engraved with his name, Jeff. He's been dead for quite some time now. These are in Roman numerals also. And this is E, so his birthday was in May, so this is May. Anyway, so I'm just going to show you, you know, the lighters. I only got like 3 more minutes. This isn't a Zippo, but it's one that I picked up. But I'll just cruise over real slow over the lighters. The one that's on the bubble wrap is the Tobacco Dealers Association. The other one next to it is in the butane, one that was gifted to me by Mike. But I'll cruise over them real slow, kind of so you can see them, and then I'll be ending the video. Just some of you had asked me to do that. So I figured I would. Plus I was digging in the safe or something, so. Take care. Bye now.